Namaskar, dear students. Prayers to Ma Sharda. Hope you are preparing well for JEE and NEET. Okay, we are discussing thermodynamics and heat transfer. I will be solving two problems today and will be giving three as self practice. You have to write your answers in comment. Okay, so it will be feedback for me whether you are following the topics or not. Okay. So first of all, these all questions, all problems were asked sometimes in these entrance exams. Okay, so already asked questions I am solving. So a black body is heated from 27 degrees Celsius to 927 degrees Celsius. Find the ratio of energy radiated. Now we know that there is a law of Stefan and Boltzmann. Okay. In short, we can say Stephen's law. It is about total emissive power, that is heat radiated per unit area and unit time, equals to E sigma T raised to 4. E is emissivity, sigma is Stefan Boltzmann's constant, capital T is temperature in Kelvin. Okay, Q by T can be taken as H, okay, rate of heat flow. Okay, so we can say H is proportional to T raised to 4. Okay, so H1 upon H2 can be written as T1 upon T2 whole raised to 4. T1 that was given as 27 degrees Celsius, it is compulsory to convert it into Kelvin. Okay, so 27 plus 273, that is 300 Kelvin. And the other temperature is 927 degrees Celsius. Adding 273 in it, it will be 1200 Kelvin. So putting here 300 upon 1200 raised to 4, these zeros will be cancelled. 3 by 12, that is 4, so 1 by 4, that is 1 by 4, so 1 by 4 raised to 4. Okay, that will be equal to 1 upon 256. Okay, so this is about Stephen's law. Okay, I will be giving you practice examples of Stephen's law, two examples, okay, afterwards. Okay, first of all, let us discuss another. A black body has a wavelength of lambda at 2000 Kelvin. Its corresponding wavelength at 3000 Kelvin will be. We know that there is a Wien's displacement law. Okay, if you remember it, okay, for the wavelength we get maximum. Okay, that I have again given here. Okay, so then the graph, if you remember, okay, as T increases, lambda decreases. So lambda m is inversely proportional to temperature in that graph. Okay, so lambda m into T is constant. Okay, or say lambda m is inversely proportional to Kelvin temperature. So we can write lambda 1 upon lambda 2 equals to T2 by T1, inversely proportional. Okay, so here they have given temperatures in Kelvin, so we need not to worry. Okay, so lambda 1 upon lambda 2, lambda 1 is lambda they have given. Okay, lambda 2 we have to find out. T2 is 3000 Kelvin, T1 is 2000 Kelvin, so these zeros will be cancelled, so lambda 2 will be equal to 2 by 3 lambda. Okay, now this is self practice. It is one step ahead, combining these two. Okay, the energy spectrum of a black body exhibits a maximum at wavelength lambda 0. Now due to change in temperature of the black body, okay, it becomes 0.75 lambda 0. The ratio of power radiated. Okay, so first of all use Wien's displacement law and then apply Stefan Boltzmann's law. Okay, now self practice here also. I will give you time to take screenshot, no problem. This is self practice 1, this is self practice 2. Okay, a black body is heated from 2 to 7 degrees Celsius to 7 to 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, 2 to 7 degrees Celsius to 727 degrees Celsius. Heat radiated at 2 to 7 degrees Celsius is 20 joule. Find at 727 degrees Celsius. Heat radiated at 727 degrees Celsius. Okay? And third one, write answers in comment box without fail. Okay, temperature of a black body becomes 2T from T, and radius is double. Okay, find ratio of energy radiated. Three questions for self-validation. Okay, take a screenshot. Okay.